Hey cooks, today on the show, we're going to make a simple rice and mixed vegetable dish in the Elechomes rice cooker. This rice cooker is cool because you can just throw some stuff in there on a weeknight and let it cook. It's sort of set it and forget it, and you have a nice side dish to go along with grilled chicken, with steak, with all kinds of stuff. So join me as we make rice with mixed vegetables in the Elechomes rice cooker. So if you've been at work all day and you want to come home and you're hungry and your kids are screaming and hollering, food, food, right? This is a great way to get something on the table really fast without a lot of effort. So I'm going to take this opportunity to thank Elechomes for sending this cooker. I love little cookers. Something about, even though they're quick and fast, having a little cooker to make a little dish for you, I just love it. And this is the type of cooker that we can do that with. So we are going to make a simple rice dish with some frozen vegetables. You can use any kind of frozen vegetables in your freezer. So this is sort of like a freezer clean out meal. So let's get this baby out of the box and check it out. So this thing is really cool looking. It has this screen on it that allows you to make cake, bake, yogurt, beans, soup, crust, oatmeal, porridge, stewing, pasta, dessert, rice cooking, frying, pizza, steaming, and reheating function. I mean, this is a multi-cooker, right? So it has a movable heat honeycomb lid that you can clean very easily. You cook under a sealed control condition. 16 function modes, beautiful and durable. Rice heating and preset function, different flavor choices, and waterproof heat sink to protect internal structures. So let's see what we got here. This is really cool. So we have our manual. I like when products have good manuals. It helps you when you first get it. Here's your warranty card. And here's our manual. Tells you the parts, how to operate it, and some tips on different kinds of cooking. Now, let me see if I can get this out of here. Wow, this is a beautiful cooker. Look at that. That is one beautiful cooker right there. Look at that. Let's see. So, wow, that is a really, really nice looking cooker. So in here, we have some rice paddles. I'm not sure what that is. Here's your cord. Sweet. Here's some rice paddles and a little like soup spoon. Here's your steaming basket. And here's your, measuring cup. And here's your inner pot. Ooh, nice inner pot with the speckled interior. This is a really nice looking cooker. This looks like it's like a steam vent here. And back here is a little reservoir to capture any condensation. So let's hook up our power cord here. Okay, so to get this going, we're just going to hit the menu button and that brings it alive, and you can see all the cycles. So you just hit menu to bring it over to the cycle you want to go to. And see how it changes time? You can too go and change the minutes and the hours. So you can do a custom cycle whatever amount of time you want. That is cool. So we're going to be using the rice cycle. So the instructions say we need to put some water in it and run it through the soup cycle just to clean out any residue from the manufacturing process. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to get to our rice and mixed vegetables. So what we did was we ran into the soup through the soup cycle. I put 2 cups of water in there and we let it clean all out. When you go to clean it, you want to clean your bowl obviously every time. This little thing comes out, it just pops out with these little tabs so you can wash this thing, as well as the valve comes out as well. So you can clean that nice and clean. And so we have our bowl here. So if you have any questions about cleaning the unit, how to take those apart, the last page of the manual has a good explanation for it. We're going to, let me take this out of here real quick. Okay, so what I have here is 4 cups of chicken broth, and I made this just out of Better Than Bouillon. Oh, that smells good. That's gonna give our rice some really good flavor. And I have 2 cups of rice. What I did is I rinsed it really, really well. How I do it is I just take this little strainer, rinse it right under the water, keep rinsing and rinsing and rinsing. You want to get all that starch off of it. And then I just put it over a bowl so it doesn't drip everywhere. So we're going to go ahead and put our rice in here. And I also have a 1-pound package of frozen mixed vegetables from my local club store. We're going to put that in here. Sneak those vegetables in, right? And we're just going to season it. It looks good. So I'm going to use, I'm going to use a little bit of Sunny Paris. This is from Penzeys. I'll put a link down in the description. You can also use Mrs. Dash. I use that all the time as well. So this smells so good. It has shallots in it, and let's see. Shallots, chives, green peppercorns, French basil, tarragon, chervil, bay leaf, and dill weed. I use this actually in my French onion soup. I put quite a bit because I like how this tastes. I'm also going to put, so you can put like a tablespoon or 2 in there to your taste. I'm also going to put some garlic powder, maybe half a teaspoon. And I'm going to get a little pepper. Whatever spices you use in here, Mrs. Dash has pepper in it, so, oh, that smells so good. The Sunny Paris is yummy. It smells delicious. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put the bowl in here. It's got some nice handles on it. This actually could hold a lot. This is actually a pretty good sized cooker. And I'm going to plug it in, obviously. So we're going to hit the menu setting, and the very first one is rice. So we're just going to hit the start button. And it's going to do its thing. So when it's done, we'll come back and take a taste. So the cooker is done. It smells really great in here because I have that Sunny Paris in there, and the dried shallots are fabulous. So let's see what we have. Ooh, wow, it looks delicious. Ooh, it's nice and fluffy too. Look at that. That is a really, really, really nice side dish. So let's see. Let's get this out of here. Woo. Wow. We have a feast on our hands, guys. Okay, so let's spoon us up a little bit. Has the nice vegetables in there. It's a little sticky. Smells fantastic. I'm going to put, of course, a little bit of butter on there. A little bit. Stir the butter around. Looks really good. It smells really good. So we have the mixed vegetables. We have the rice. It looks really, really good. It's really tasty. It's hot. Wow. The chicken broth makes a big difference. The Sunny Paris is fabulous. This is a great little side dish. Have a little bit of chicken with it. We got a nice pan. Can feed quite a few people. Tasty, tasty. That's comfort food right there. I can't stop eating it. Really good. The cooker is really simple to use. Just set it and forget it. I give the Elechomes cooker thumbs up. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Elechomes for sending this cooker. It's fabulous. I'm looking forward. I'm going to make some soup in it next. I'm looking forward to make all kinds of fun stuff. Really appreciate it. If you want to take a look at it, there's a link down in the description to the Amazon page. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And also on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Tasty. Very, very tasty.
Eat your vegetables.
Thumbs up.